and what's up friends? Today I've got very easy guitar lessons, but most important for every guitarist is how to hold guitar properly, your right hand, left hand position. Most people start playing the guitar with wrong position of their hands, like this or like this. But your feet must be in right position to walk easily. Now let me show you the right position of holding the guitar. It's so easy than you are thinking. Just hold it like you hold your loved ones and your friends. Just hold your guitar and let your arms around its body. And let your hands so relaxed and hands free to fall, like swinging. For the left hand, the thumb must be in the between the fingers. You are playing chords or solo. The thumb must be in between the fingers. The back position of the lefty hand is like this. Hope you have got today's lesson. Wait for my next